Thank you so much. Please.
The chair did also.
He cannot stand for long. He is now the oldest son of you all.
Yeah.
Only I am older to him and Sarkar is older to him. So respect is very giving yellow chip.
आइसोलेशन में डाला है.
No. You have been given the Paras yellow
Paras,
chip. But if you have done so much, Somajit, can you not turn the sofa slightly this way? नहीं सोफा नहीं हिलता क्या? अब तो कौन आने वाला है? ब्लॉक होने तो because then it is very. Beginning of a new innings, and I was talking to him, and ये मेरी भाषण नहीं बात करूँगा मैं ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ that he is going to even take up some farming after this, so he is going to really put his good agriculture knowledge to work. So all the best, Samita, on behalf of all of us. Some Paras flowers for you. We wish he had Shaktiman flowers also, but then he is just leaving us about 12 hours before. I don't know that Manish can confirm how many hours. 6 hours.
Yeah.
No, you want.
मैं दे सकता हूँ.
I think whosoever has written, how many people have written?
Everyone, so almost whoever is
Then you can't read it. I was wondering that this
Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And so I'm less Mishti. Okay? Because as we all know, he's called Mishti Dadu fondly by us. Okay, chalo, all the best.
So this name came to me.
In 1993, I was taking charge of Bardhaman territory from Somidda. The order Nikla, I have gone to Somidda's house. Then Somidda drive, the bullet motorcycle was there. तो देखा he has come. वो एक बर्धमान में मुकाम था, 3 आदमी रहता था. Somidda, Giron Shankar Rai, and 2 pesticides का डीलर. सुनीता and राजू 2.
तो 4 हो गए.
ना 3 रूम था. तो देखा जान लेके गया, लेकिन बुलेट सर टाउन सर मोबाइल फोबाइल कुछ नहीं था. देखा बुलेट वहाँ पे है, मैं समझदा गाँव में है. तो देखा सुनीति एंड राजू,
यहाँ भी है चेयर, पीछे भी चेयर.
सुनीता एंड राजू बाहर में बैठ बैठ ताश खेल रहा है. तो मैं पूछा कहाँ है, तो वो घर में सुआ है. तो देखा समझदा घर में सुआ है एकदम. दिन में 6-6:30 बजे, 6:30 बजे इवनिंग हुआ. क्या हुआ why you were evening time में why you were lifting? So at the time Raju on the घुसा, वो किसी करता 10 साल करता इतना फिरा जिसमें तो ऊपर इसको छाती तो
कोड़ी पर गया.
रूफ इतना इमोशनल हो गया. तो बाद में बहुत उनको समझाया जो वही या टेकिंग दिस थिंग सीरियसली. तो बाद में वो निकला. तो ही इज वेरी इमोशनल गाय.
And I personally feeling a little bit emotional as well, and that is why actually it's a great opportunity. In fact, pleasure for me to be here in this kind of occasion. थोड़ा इमोशनल हो रहा हूँ. 2 लाइन में कहना चाहूंगा. ये मेरा दिल से मतलब बहुत बार बहुत जगह पे मुझे ये बात आता है दिल में कि जिंदगी के सफर में मिले थे अजनबी बनकर कहीं. इन यादों के लम्हों को भुला पाएंगे नहीं. अगर याद रखना फितरत है आपकी, तो भूल जाने की आदत हमें भी नहीं. थैंक यू.
I could control myself at the end. Never mind. Thank you all for your words. Sir, Kaushik, Sagarda, Mo, Vijay, Sharita, Parijit is not here, Abhishek, Kamlesh. इसी बहाने झगड़ा होगा ना, इसी बहाने
लास्ट में लेके निकल जाएगा बड़ा मैंने keep running out.
meant for each other. Meant for each other. Anyway, thanks for.
But he said nice, the Tom and Jerry.
It is, in true sense, it is wrong. Anyway, I have started everything you might be knowing, but I have started in 85 June. It's almost 35 plus years. I have gone through the culture of Hindustan Lever, Tata Chemicals, Indorama. But all through, I tried to take the culture and just try to grow on that culture. In any sphere, I have tried to do my best. Any aspects, I have tried to do my best. Certainly, there are some, drawbacks in my deliberations. Like I took the things of my own. Thing is that it is not that taking the things of my own, but I had a personal issue. Like I do delegate, it's fine. But if the delegation is not as per my expectation, there I cannot afford that, because end of the day it is the customer, be it actual dealer, be it permanent farmer. That customer will lead me, or lead the company, or lead the part of brand, as delivery is not at per their expectation. That is where my drawback is there. That's why I do delegate, even if last time achiever books, etc. There are things, there are a lot of supports, particularly achiever books, collection of documents, correction of documents. Kaushik was there, Shantanu was there, Vikesh from Bihar. They do help a lot. But still at the end of the day, I have to see the things, whether these are in right shape or not. Then I do still enjoy myself to be Master Moshe, as Sarah said. It's not that Rome achiever made 332 people. At the very beginning, I have been nominated for Bindi Banga's then MD farmers training while he was returning from India visit. The meeting was at Shadisha. It was on Raichur. There was also 350 plus farmers, and at that time I was the only, in support with Dr. Kaur, was nominated to address the farmers on that particular issue.
Yeah, मुझे बोल के मैं भी था
Sir, you were there, that has been coming.
I think Sameer, let me tell you, I was joking. Sameer did an excellent job in that meeting. And Vinny was quite floored with that meeting. And as we were walking out of the meeting, he told me very, very clearly that this guy is very, sorry, good you reminded me. The chairman of Hindustan Lever was very, very, praiseworthy of what Sameer did in that meeting. So,
There are a couple of experiences which I want to
मेरे पास
share.
photographs है उसका, you want? I'll give you.
Okay. Couple of experiences I will share because these are, as you say, it is iconic like things. It is iconic to me in my career.
See, the idea, sorry to interrupt, idea is that look at the confidence people had in Sameer. Hindustan Lever's chairman's visit, and it is left to Sameer that he will handle it very well when it comes to farmers. Yeah, please.
In fact, when all senior leaders reached at that point, once they reached on the flag on the, but I was not interrupted for a single time. But once they said that Mr. Nair was came to me for introduction or so, but chairman just told Mr. Nair, and then PM of Hindustan Lever. That was the confidence from senior leaders on me. In fact, mainline rural market visit was also, I had to address the farmers and they have visited that time. Mr. Rishikesh Mukherjee, he was the director marketing. He has a visit in Midnapur and in the morning time around 11. Video near Pashpura. That was around 150 gatherings. That was also earlier days. Say, handling the people in customers, I have started with one retailer meeting. I have been organized for all 3-4 senior members from Lato House. But incidentally, for some other exigencies, none was turned up, and I have to handle that. I have to start that meeting. That was in Bardhaman, it was 2002. From that day, I have started to address people of my own. I mean, even if gathering is, and gradually I do. And in this journey, I do remember Dr. Bandyopadhyay, Dr. Kaur. They are saying is like whenever you speak something, I mean you feel the person who was in front of you, for the sake of your confidence, feel them ignorant. They don't know nothing about your subject. That is what is. But it was not like this in every case. But at least you have to be confident that I can. Sarkata was telling me like green book. In fact, that is the first thing I have edited something. I mean, there the support was from CAT. I mean, CAT as well as team members. Dr. Singh, Dr. Shubhendu, Dr. Kalra from CAT. And first it has started in English, then it has made in 6 other vernaculars. I mean, Bengali, Hindi, Assamese, Gurmukhi. In fact, that gives me, I mean, the confidence on learning of the nutrients as a whole. I mean, this covered both primary bulk fertilizers as well as specific fertilizers. And how to make it, there was around 15 to 20 sessions with senior leaders. Details of the, I have to use the presentation and the targets and then I have done. Good experiences like this that has been honored in Agra, able to meet, and Kapil Main was, told good words, very good words. That was something. And then comes this RSM journey of mine in Siliguri, where in consecutively 2 years, my region has got, I think, highest in specialty fertilizer selling category, top in that. That could be from the, understanding and the delivery in the field. Then comes this marketing services role in Tata Chemicals as well as in Indorama, where I got the highest challenges, like everybody is talking about achievements. The first time we got the idea in Utsav to be iconic as a book for the channel partners. So, Hiran sir was given the idea, then like Limca book of records or something like that. It should be a, name which speaks something. That was also, very good learning for me as well as, sir has made number of, changes, corrections, etc. And the first edition, I think, last time, it was third edition. This last one. That is also, I mean, eye-opener for me and as well as good. And I do deliver, and I deliver the achievement like this. I think started in Manila. Earlier program was handled by someone else, but started in Manila. I do remember one or two points in the late evening when conference was over. The hero of the day. That has been quoted on me. Vidan sir has quoted on me. Of the conference, I mean, conference खत्म होने के बाद, in the evening we all officials gathered for the feedback of the program as well as what to do in the next. So that in the evening, I couldn't control myself. There are people who just asked me to stop. So Vidan sir was told कि Shamil is hero of the entire program. Post that it was Bali, then it was Moscow, then it was Rome, then it is Rome. Now started with say 300 plus farmers, close to 300 plus channel partners and their families. It's a good journey, very good journey, and in fact I had lot of experiences to recall. Coming tomorrow onwards. That's not an issue for me. But the thing is that
Australia.
TKS will come.
Sorry, I just take this call. Give me half a minute. You carry on.
what do you want to know about Australia? Now is the time. Now is the time. It could be for Australia.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया करते रहते हैं
It's Australia, it's Siddhi.
क्या
And I'm telling you,
क्या हुआ था
Sakarta has a good point. Sakarta has a good point. That's why. That's why. I do share one incident. We are in a visit. But at the end of the journey or beginning of a new journey, I had two, three things which is very close to me. One is obviously Green Book. I would expect in coming days it could be Green Book for nutrients, it could be Orange Book. There was the Orange Book also for pesticides and all. But that was in a manuscript form. That has not been officially published. So Shaktiman,
I think going forward we must have a rainbow of books, right?
Rainbow books.
Yeah,
So can Shantanu take this as a target?
Yes.
Rainbow.
Sure.
as there are pesticides as well as seeds, etc. Could be a catalog type thing. That is one. Second initiative which is very close to me is soil test lab.
Correct. Haldia. Mogra then Haldia.
Matlab, don't mind if I could follow up or if I could ask Shantanu whether it has grown, what is the number of soil we tested in the last year or a couple of months. You don't mind, yeah? I could. Initiative was first, taken by Shakarta. You have to start it. How? I don't know. All the Mogra equipments were in a bad shape. And in fact, one of the most important equipments, which is AAS, it has been taken away by Yara. In fact, that time, the chart was not with me. Anyway, I have started the lab. For that, I would thank 2-3 people. I think One is that Professor Vishwabatu Mandal from DCKB and his first student, GRF pass for that year, it was 2018. Both of them, on my request, came to the lab. They were there for full day. They have seen the calibration status of each and every machine. They have tested the samples on the machines. They have give the suggestions what to do, what not to do. And then I have talked with the vendors, service man, which is there at Delhi. That has been settled and started. Then the best part of this that the soft report copy. It was with a third party agency from Bombay. Now I have it is almost 1.7 lakhs, something like that. So that EL I have going to sign with Manish sir. So yes, rank Sangram. It was the Oracle software. Ask Sangram whether in-house we can do. So Sangram has taken the challenge and I have supported with all the documents which is related to that and Sangram developed that. And it is really in-house very good thing. So that report.
Samit, carry on because
Yeah, sure.
nice. So you have to sign this document, they have to get notarized and reach Delhi tomorrow morning.
Okay. Okay.
I'll around only. Yeah?
Sure.
All the best, Samit. We'll continue to be touch.
So that has been started. And best part is that the shifting of the lab to Haldia, but the premises is very high, very good. And for this, I would thank Sarkar who took the initiative and at the end of the day it is there. So this things is also very close to me. Look, it is something like, well, it is something which I feel I have developed with the support of the support that is. And at the end, I would thank all of you, everyone, and particularly all senior leaders for your support, etc. And in any case, any means, I am misbehave or be hard. I do agree for that. Thanks.
आपको और लोग भी विश करेंगे और हमारे टाटा के 11 के